Hello students, this is Alvina Ali, Faculty of Mount Litra, Z School, Jhansi. Children of class 2, I am going to tell you how to write in your English literature notebook. As I am going to start with Unit 1, Chapter 1, Haldi's Adventure. Now children, sharpen your pencil, bring your eraser and scale, and now let's get started. Children, your English notebook look like this. It has 4 lines, and on the very first page you have to write your name, class, subject, and then turn the page and then turn your notebook and write the slogan, I can do it by myself. Children, as your English notebook has 4 lines, so when you are going to write capital letter, you are going to start with the third line and take it to the topmost first line, and the small letters will be written in the middle 2 lines. Now children, we'll start the work from the very new fresh page. Write the date on the left side. On the first line, write unit number 1. On the second line, write chapter number 1. On the third line, write the name of the chapter, Haldi's Adventure. Now children, this chapter has 6 difficult words. Number 1, giraffe. Number 2, surprised. Number 3, adventure. Number 4, wonderful. Number 5, playground. Number 6, smiley. Children, I have written difficult words one time, but you have to write each difficult word twice. Now children, let's come to word meanings. Children, use a scale to divide words at one side and meaning on the another side. Draw a line in the between. Write words on the left side and meaning on the right side. Number 1 is stare, meaning to look for a long time to someone or something. Number 2, surprised, meaning an unexpected event. Number 3, rush, meaning hurry. Number 4, wonderful, meaning nice. Now children, let's come to answer the following question. Children, after writing the heading of every question, draw a line under it. Now, question number 1 is, where was Haldi going? Answer, Haldi was going to school. Now, question number 2. On which days did Haldi go to school? Answer, Haldi goes to school from Monday to Saturday. Now, question number 3. How did she reach school? Answer, she reached school on giraffe's back. Now, question number 4. What does Haldi do in school? Answer, Haldi learn about birds, stars, animal and trees in school. Question number 5. What was so special about the giraffe in this story? Answer, giraffe wore spectacles in this story. Question number 6. Why did Haldi stare at giraffe? Answer, Haldi stared at the giraffe as the giraffe was wearing big glasses and holding a book in his hand, which was unusual. Now children, question number 7. Why Haldi did not have time to talk to Smiley. Answer: Haldi was getting late for school, so she did not have time to talk to Smiley. Now, next question, children. Read the following sentences and answer true or false. Number 1. Smiley did not help Haldi reach school on time. It is false. Now, number 2. Haldi was going to the park. It is also false. Number 3. Smiley wore spectacles. Answer is true. Number 4. Smiley played games in school on Saturdays. Answer is false. Now, children, homework time. Learn chapter number 1 from notebook and read the same chapter from the PDF. Children, when you'll finish writing the question answers, difficult words, word meaning in your notebook, you'll learn the chapter and read the same chapter from the PDF, which will be sent to you. Now, dear parents, kindly help your ward to write this work in the notebook, as you are the common medium between us and our dear students.